Hey everyone, we're on the Disney Dream. Let's go check out the room. This is a deluxe family ocean view stateroom. It's dark, so a little hard to see in here, but you got a nice closet, safe, life preservers. Gave us a little swag this time, which is really nice. This is one of the newer ships, along with the Fantasy. We actually just did the Disney Dream a couple months ago as well, but got a really good deal, so we're back. That's a pull-out bed. Welcoming us. Nice little area to sit. You've got some extra outlets there. This is a pull-down bed right here as well. And this is a veranda view, so you've got balcony. Small, again, we're still in port right now, in Port Canaveral. But out here you've got two chairs and a little table. Now, on the way back in, you got your little privacy curtain, so that closes. And what's nice about Disney Cruise Line, and most of the other cruise lines do not have this, we just got off of Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas 2 months ago. You have essentially bathroom 1. Hello. Little sink. Little shower and seating area if needed. Rainfall style, which is nice. And then right behind it, you've got a second bathroom with the actual toilet, another little sink. So essentially you get somebody in the shower and somebody getting ready using the bathroom at the same time, which again, most cruise lines do not have that. So really nice option from Disney. So again, smaller room, compared to regular Disney rooms. The the cruise ship's known for being very tight, but queen size bed, it is what it is. Love the cruise lines. If you're thinking of booking a Disney cruise, we could take care of that for you, whether you're a DVC member or not. Visit us at DVC-RENTAL.com. Or actually, if you're looking at becoming a Disney Vacation Club owner, which really doesn't have anything to do with the cruises, you can also visit our resales company, buyandsell.dvc.com. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your day.